came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not the role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay or never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. You're brave to say that you get lost in love, but you opened your heart to me.